Hey, my good people. My name is Metra Chinelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on an Amazon wig that I was given. And it is a 14-inch body wave, 13x4 lacing in the front. And there's also lace in the back. In case if you want to wear your hair in a ponytail, you can with this wig. Okay. It has a regular construction, the regular schmegler construction, okay? The hair is really soft. The only thing is I'm not seeing as much waves as I thought it would be, but we shall see. There's a comb on each side. That's one in the front and also a comb in the back with an adjustable strap. Okay, this lace is little on the light side for my complexion, so I'm pulling out my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 355. I'm going to put that in the front of the wig cap, so wherever I decide to part my hair, you'll be able to see a more natural color of scalp in my parting space. I'm also going to take some of that powder and put it inside the wig on the lace as well. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the notification so you'll be notified every time that I drop a video. Baby, this wig is big head friendly, okay? I have a normal size head, so my head was swimming in this wig, baby. I had to cut the side of the lace, a good bit of it on the side so that it can fit to the shape of my head. But for you girls out there with them big balloon heads, this gonna fit you, baby. Don't worry, if you want it, go ahead on and get it. It's gonna fit that big head, okay? Right here, I just want to show you guys the parting space. Look at the parting space. It is a good amount of parting space. Love it. After putting that powder on there, look at that, baby. Look like it's coming out of my scalp. Girl, I lost some footage. Well, I didn't really lose it. I thought that I was recording, and I was not, okay? But I'm sure you ladies know how to cut y'all some baby hairs, okay? This hair already pre-plucked, and it came with baby hairs already, so but I just went on ahead and cut a little bit more of the baby hairs so I can do it how I wanted to do it, okay? Y'all, I pulled out my hot curler and it started sparkling. Babe, sparks started coming out of it. Oh, girl, ain't gonna be no curls in here today. Not today. I'm not dying today. I want to live. No, ma'am. But it looked cute just like this anyway. Okay, my girls, this is the finished look. Please go subscribe to my channel. And as always, let's keep it classy, ladies.